In this question, we shall have to apply some basic rules of exponents. Let us understand how. We have 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x is equal to square root of, now we know 12 can be written as 3 times 4 to the power x minus 16 can be written as 4 times 4 to the power x. Now, from the basic rules of exponents, if we have a times b whole raised to the power m, it can be written as a to the m times b to the power m. So using this rule, we get 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x is equal to square root of 3 to the power x times 4 to the power x minus 4 to the power x times 4 to the power x. And then we factor out 4 to the power x on the right hand side. So we get 4 to the power x times 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x. Now we square both sides. So we have 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x whole squared is equal to 4 to the power x times 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x. Now we have a common factor on both sides, 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x. Now whenever we have two terms on the opposite sides of the equal to sign, we can either cancel them, but because there are two possibilities, either the value of that factor is 0 or it is not equal to 0. So let us assume the first part, if 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x equals to 0. Now if the factor itself is 0, then we don't have to look at the other part of the equation. So we get 3 to the power x equals to 4 to the power x. Now we will divide both the sides by 4 to the power x. So we get is equal to 1. Now using the basic rules of exponents, we know that if you have a to the power x over b to the power x, then it can be written as a over b whole raised to the power x is equal to 1. Now once again, 1 can be written as any number to the exponent 0. So we can say 3 over 4 to the power 0. Now because the bases are same, the exponents must be equal, and so x is equal to 0. That's the first solution. Now coming down to the second part of the solution, that is, if 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x is not equal to 0. In that case, the factor gets cancelled. So out of 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x whole squared, 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x will get cancelled. So we are left with 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x. Now adding 4 to the power x on both sides, we have 3 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x. This is 3 to the power x is equal to, now any number, the same basis with the same exponent, when we add them, it is like adding a dollar plus dollar or a rupee plus a rupee. So it becomes 2 times 4 to the power x. Now because we have a 2 over here, what do is we convert 4 in the powers of 2. So it becomes 2 to the power 2x, and so it becomes 3 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power 2 to the power 2x plus 1, because a to the power m times a to the power n becomes a to the power m plus n. Now we take log on both sides, so we have x ln 3 equals to 2x plus 1 times ln 2. We have x ln 3 is equal to, we shall open it up, so we have 2x ln 2 plus ln 2. Now, because we need to isolate x, so we bring 2x to the left hand side. So we have x ln 3 minus 2x ln 2 is equal to ln 2. Now we will factor out x. So we are left with ln 3 minus 2 times ln 2 equals to ln 2. Now dividing both the sides by ln 3 minus 2 ln 2, we get x equals to ln 2 over ln 3 minus 2 times ln 2, which if in case you want, you may use your calculator to approximate the value. Otherwise, you may leave it this way itself. So at the end, we have two values of x. Either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to ln 2 over ln 3 minus 2 ln 2. Thank you for watching.